are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword else. Welcome, Python programmers and enthusiasts. Today, we're focusing on a keyword that plays a crucial role in decision-making and flow control within our code. Else. Let's unfold the versatility and functionality of else in Python. In Python, else is a conditional statement that defines the block of code to be executed if the preceding if or elif conditions are not met. It's the otherwise in our logical decision-making, ensuring that our programs can follow through with an alternative path when needed. Why else? It's all about completeness in handling conditions. While if checks for a specific condition, else catches everything else that doesn't meet these conditions, allowing our programs to handle a wide range of outcomes seamlessly. The else keyword is incredibly versatile. Use it in conjunction with if statements for basic conditional branching, with try blocks for handling exceptions, or even with loops to execute a block of code when the loop completes normally, without a break. Let's explore else with a simple code example. In the first example, we used else to handle the scenario where the age condition is not met. In the second example, else is paired with a try except block, executing only if no exceptions occur, demonstrating the flexibility and power of else in handling multiple control flow scenarios. Mastering the else clause opens up new dimensions in programming logic, allowing you to write more comprehensive and robust Python code. Dive deeper into Python's conditional statements and keep your logic as dynamic as the language itself. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into Python.